We have discussed the cloud service model, IaaS or infrastructure as a service, in which the infrastructure is provided by the cloud service provider. We have also discussed PaaS or platform as a service, in which the infrastructure together with the platform is provided by the cloud service provider. Next is the easiest way of accessing cloud service from client side, SaaS or software as a service. Here the cloud service provider hosts the application itself and make it available for the customers via internet. In our scenario, suppose an inventory management web application is hosted by the cloud service provider and is made available for us via internet. So the application is hosted and managed by the cloud service provider. The platform required for hosting the application is installed, configured, and managed by the cloud service provider. The infrastructure required is physically kept and managed in all ways by the cloud service provider in the service provider's data center. It means everything is managed by the cloud service provider. Such SaaS service providers offer a variety of SaaS application software services for inventory, email, human resource management, customer relationship management, content management, database management, and so on. So what customers should do is to just make a proper choice of the cloud service provider and make a proper choice of the application software, then pay for it on a subscription basis and access the service using a web browser or some other lightweight interface. So we need not purchase and physically manage the infrastructure. We need not install and manage the platform. We need not develop and deploy the application. And moreover, we need not install and run this application in our own systems. For accessing the software service, we just need an internet connection and a lightweight interface such as web browser. So here we are not managing anything. Everything is managed by the cloud service provider. And the software can be accessed easily anywhere from any device with internet connectivity. And there are cost benefits. We are paying for the service on a subscription basis. We need not pay for the software license or ongoing support. And the price is based on the usage, based on the number of people using the application, or based on the usage of resources or some other measures. And the customers can even stop the subscription whenever they want, and they need to pay only for how much and how long they use. Also, we need not pay the developers for developing and deploying the application. We need not pay for the system admins for managing the platform. We need not pay for the workforce for physically managing the infrastructure. Also, we need not purchase all these hardwares and software. So overall, there can be cost benefits. Then the control and flexibility is less compared to platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. Here we can configure and customize the software, but only within certain limits. Thus, the control and flexibility is very less, and hence the responsibilities are also very less compared to the other two service models. And similar to other two service models, here also there are security and privacy concerns. Also, since the data and applications are stored in cloud at a variable distance from the end user, there can be latency issues. And this is a shared and multi-tenant architecture. A single version of application is made available for all the customers. And an example for a leading SaaS service provider is Salesforce.